Hello, we meet again. Uh, so I just had a question right in one of the comments. How do I make these jigs? And a lot of times I scratch my head also. So here I'm making benches. So the chairs are done. Chairs are all built. They're awesome. They're all glued together, glue scraped. I got just a few more details with the little tops. I'm just going to putty them, cover them over, sand them, and so there's only a few places of fasteners. So now I'm on the benches. I gotta get these benches done. Um, so I kind of laid out where I want my legs. So we got 4 legs. It's just like an expanded chair. Um, but because of the narrowness and all of it, it's like I can't use this jig. That's for the seat, right? Because I'm looking at a 9-degree lean back and a 6-degree inside. So I looked at what looked good, and I came up with I want to do a 6-degree lean. So this is the long axis of the bench, and then I don't want it leaning way out because it's close to the edge, right? Each leg is going to be close to the edge. So there's a 4-degree. So I set up in the corner where that leg now is set at that point, and then I take a speed square for a 45, and then I take my bevel gauge and I come to the inside of it and I ask what is the angle of on the bias to achieve those two. And so I got my bevel gauge, I laid it out, I cut a sample, and it's 7 degrees. So it's just like building the Nubian outside. The corner angle is more than the lean. So this is 7. So I found a block of wood to make a jig, went over to the drill press, put a straight edge into the chuck. Oh, look at that. We got smashed yesterday on some white oak. And got this table tilted to 7 degrees, and then I lined the block up. I put the 1.5-inch Forstner bit in. I drilled the hole. So now I've got a profile. I've got an angle of this jig, right? So it's coming like this through the block, and then you got to mark, line it up at a 45, which I just did. I just did a test hole, and look what we get. We get a 6-degree lean, and we get a 4-degree lean. So all is well. I got all my legs made, tendons on, so I'm gonna get these rolling. We had a lot of rain these days, and we got more rain coming, so I'm gonna have to break away and go do some more on the barn. We're making progress on the barn. Look at that! I got a new pair of bibs. Yeah, going bibs and pipe smoking. I'm doing it for my health. Okay, I will talk at you again later. We're way behind. I got like three other videos, so you'll see this later in the week. This will all be done, but that's the way it goes. Bye-bye. Wait till you see with finish on it. Oh, it just pops.